Viewers, welcome to Perfect Cooking. Today we are going to make a recipe with the help of superfood called avocado. So today we are going to make guacamole. Before we proceed, let me tell you the health benefits of avocado. It's very good for health. It prevents bad breath, good for heart, skin, protects liver from damage, prevents cancer, keeps eyes healthy, it reduces risk of cardiovascular diseases, it aids in digestion and weight management, and also helps in overcome nausea and morning sickness during pregnancy. So it has lots of vitamins and minerals in it. Let's get started for the recipe guacamole. For this recipe, I have taken a couple of avocados. What I have to see that the avocados should be soft. If I press, I can feel that they are soft and I can easily mash them with the help of my fork. The other ingredients which I will be using today is tomato, onion, coriander leaves, green chilies, black pepper powder, lemon juice, chaat masala and salt. So let's get started for the recipe. So with the help of spoon, I can easily take out the pulp of avocado. If the avocado is ripe and soft, it is very easy to take out the pulp. These are the seeds which we have to remove. It's a very simple recipe and you can have it in breakfast or with any meal. I have mashed both the avocados. The first thing I am going to add lemon juice into it. This is half tablespoon of lemon juice. And I have half tablespoon more lemon juice. It becomes black very easily, so lime or the lemon juice helps to retain the color of avocado. Now I am going to add chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon, and 1 more tablespoon. For a rough idea, I took 1/4 of tomato which I have chopped finely. Next goes finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon, and little bit more because I don't want to keep it. I'm going to add finely chopped green chili. It's a half green chili, and I hope it's not very hot. So if you love chilies and spicy stuff, you can add more green chilies into it. This is just half green chili, finely chopped. Sorry. You can also go with jalapeno if you don't love the recipe should be hot. Next, I'm going to add spices into it. This is salt. If I measure salt, this is a quarter of teaspoon. I think it is less than a quarter of spoon, but as per your taste. Little bit of chaat masala. Oops. Black pepper powder, a quarter teaspoon of less than quarter spoon. Mix it well. Add finely chopped coriander and mint leaves to it. Viewers, believe me, this is heaven. You are going to like it. This is one of my favorite food. That's it. It's going to take just 2 to 3 minutes, I think. So guacamole is ready. If you have guests at your place, you can serve it with corn chips as snacks. Here you go. So tasty, so healthy. What I prefer, I have it with a slice of multi-grain bread almost every morning. Just put a spoon of or scoop of guacamole over it, and you are done. Viewers, I want to give you one tip. If I have to store this guacamole in my refrigerator, the tip is peel off a small onion, sliced it, and then put it over the guacamole. Otherwise, it is going to be very dark and you won't be able to have it. So usually I prefer to have it freshly prepared, but if you want to store it, then please chop an onion, make couple of pieces and put over the guacamole, and you will find next morning the color is the same and the taste would be awesome. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to see the future notifications. This is all for the day. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye for now.